Hello viewers, today we are going to teach you how to make a sunflower crochet bag. First we will make 22 chains.
Six, seven, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Okay.
Next, after skipping one stitch, this one,
and this.
then in the next one,
Okay.
we will make half double crochet and we will make total 20 half double crochets.
Okay.
Like this, you will make half double crochets in the whole line.
Okay, first line is completed and the last stitch half double crochet, 1 half double crochet and 4 more half double crochets, 5 half double crochets in this stitch. Okay, 20th stitch, 1, 2. Okay, three, 1, 2, 3 at same place, 4 and 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 half double crochets at one space. After this, 19 half double crochets, okay, in this row. Okay, and the last stitch we make 5 double crochets. Okay, I repeat, 1, 2, 3, okay,
so that our
4,
corner is in a round shape.
and 5, okay, and a curve is made.
After 5 half double crochets,
the corner is completed and the row is started, and the 19 half double crochets, okay.
like this we will make 19 half double crochets in this line.
Last line, last stitch, we make half double crochet 1, and after increase 2 double crochets, okay. Two and 1, okay, and next 2, okay, two, 1, 2, okay, and next 1, and next 2, okay, two and 1, half double crochet, okay, and next 2 half double crochets, okay. The corner is completed, okay. This place we make 7 half double crochets, first 5 and then next 7, 1 single and 1 double. So we make, the corner is completed and the next line is started, okay. We will make single half double crochets every stitch.
In
Okay.
every stitch we will make half double crochets.
1 1 1 1 single, okay. We will make 1 single and 1 double, half double crochet, double and single, okay. and single. Okay, and
double. So now our turn is completed and we have taken a slip stitch, and after taking the slip stitch we will make half double crochets.
one chain, okay, and then half double crochets.
Half double crochets in every hole, or you can say in every stitch.
Every back loop, okay, front
loop.
Sorry.
Half double crochets are easy. We have previously used it in our various items.
Okay,
like this, and we are using 3 crochet.
okay,
Like this we will make the whole line. This line is complete.
slip stitch, okay, and then one chain, okay, one chain, and half double crochet, 10 half double crochets in every stitch, one half double crochet.
After taking one chain, 10 half double crochets will be made.
Okay, 1 and 2.
Because we have to give this sunflower bag a nice bended round shape, so that's why it is different from a normal bag.
1, 2, okay, three, 4,
In the same way, you will make total 10
5,
half double crochets. 5 are made and more 5.
11. After 10 half double crochets, in this stitch we increase 2.
After increasing 2,
okay, and then after 10 half double crochets again in every stitch.
after increasing 2, we will make 10 half double crochets in every stitch. 1 half double crochet. So
In
that
every 10 half double crochets, 11th we will make 2 half double crochet in every 10, okay. After every 10, 1, 2,
ratio will be half double crochets, 10 half double crochets, and then after 10 half double crochets in the 11th hole or in the 11th loop, 2 half double crochets. As I have told you, after 10 half double crochets, now in the 11th loop we are going to make 2 half double crochets. because the wool is thick, so it takes some time to manage it properly.
1 and 2. Only this place we make 2 half double crochets. After that 10 times we will make single half double crochet. Every stitch single half double crochet. Okay. 11th, after that 11th we will make
11th
two
loop we will
half.
make 2 half double crochets, the same ratio.